Hello, my name is Julia. Today we are going to be making a video of what kinds of foods my dog likes and doesn't like, and we are also going to be timing it. This is my dog Presley, and he is one of the dogs that we are going to be testing on the video. Presley, sit.
So what's the first food that we're going to be testing with Presley?
We are going to be testing. What's the fruit? Which one is it?
So that is a chicken treat, right?
So yes, we are going to be testing a chicken
Presley, wait.
treat. And then we also have, for our third one, we have a bacon treat.
Okay.
So Presley, sit, stay.
Tell him wait.
Okay. Good boy.
Okay, so that was 12 seconds for treat number 1.
Good job, Presley. Good job. Oh, he wants more.
Okay, so make sure you tell him to sit
Sit,
and wait.
stay. Okay.
So what was number 2?
Number 2 was broccoli.
Broccoli.
Let's see what
Okay.
this.
So
You
it
just
looks
spit it
like
back up.
he's trying to figure out whether he wants to eat that cooked broccoli or not.
Yeah.
Did he
Oh,
eat?
he actually ate it. I believe. Oh, yeah, he ate it.
Okay.
Good job.
Oh,
wait.
he's still eating it.
Oh, I thought it was done.
Good job, Presley. Okay, are we all done?
Yep.
Okay,
Good job,
so
Presley.
that took him 30 seconds for the
I
broccoli.
don't think he liked that one very much.
Okay, I think he was just trying to figure it out. Okay, so what is number 3?
Number 2 is a bacon treat.
Okay,
And
tell him to
let's see
sit.
what he does. Sit. Stay. Ah. Sit. Wait. Okay. Mm.
You all done?
Yeah, he's done.
Okay, so that was 19 seconds with treat number 2.
Good job. Now let's go on to number 3, which is a lemon, yellow lemon. So sit, stay. Ah. Okay. He's like, I don't think I like this one. He's like,
Hey, Presley, you don't like that? What is it,
I
buddy?
think you like that one.
I don't know. He's still figuring out. So I'm still gonna leave the timer on because he looks like he's still sniffing it and deciding.
I think he's like
he's licking it. So
going and stopping, going and stopping. So
y'all done there, Presley? No, he's still trying it. He's still thinking about it.
he wants the treat, but he doesn't really like it. It's probably because we left the skin on it, the outside. Too sweet, Presley?
Okay,
Yeah,
I think he's done with it. So that was 1 minute that he
Oh.
played with the lemon.
Next, we have a little bit of cheese sticks.
Cheese. Yeah.
So
Okay.
Presley, sit, stay. Okay. Good boy. Go ahead. He's like, is this gonna taste the same? No, it's okay, boy. Here. There he goes. Ah, here you go. He's like, I want more, I want more.
Okay, so that was 23 seconds.
Oh, that could have been 1 second, Pippi. That could have been 10. But, good job.
Okay. And
Now
now we got the last
one is lever, which I think you might like the best. As I said, stay. Stay. Okay. It's okay, puppy. He doesn't want to touch it.
He doesn't know what to do with it.
Here you go, puppy. Look. Nom, 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 nom. Here you go. Look, it's delicious. Mommy loves it.
Jules, I can't see. You're in the way.
He's going for more. Yeah. He didn't eat it. Strange. I think he's done with that one.
I don't know.
You done? Go ahead, puppy.
I don't think he wants it.
No. Weird.
Show it to him one more time.
It's okay, puppy. He's got it in his mouth.
Is that good, Presley?
He's trying to spit it back out. He's spitting out. I think he's done.
He didn't eat it?
No,
He
need
didn't
it.
eat it, huh? Okay.